Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect our wall mounting unit with our smart app and how to use it. The first step is to open your Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for Smart Life. Download and open it. Next step is to sign up and log in your account. The first step is to turn on this machine. And you see the Wi-Fi logo is blinking. And let's go back to your app and click Add Device. Go to Small Home Appliances. Select Ventilation System with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Click Next and select Blinking Quickly. Put in your Wi-Fi password and click Next. Okay, the device is added successfully. You can rename it by pressing this button. Let's put it Wall Mounting Unit. And you can click this to enter the interface. Okay, now you can see all the status. The fan speed at the top, and the temperature, local temperature, filter life, room humidity, and the CO2 concentration, and the current running mode. You can press on and off. Now the machine is off. Let's turn it back on. You can select fan speed, for supply fan, fan speed for exhausting fan, running mode, and more setting for filter life and filter replacement time setting. Okay, the app is very simple for users. This is all for this video. Thank you.